In this video, we will be looking at network settings at the local interface of an Elite recorder. Let's go ahead and get started. At the local interface, right-click and select Main Menu. And then select Network. The first page that comes up is TCP/IP. This will list your static IP, which is default on our Elite recorders at 192.168.1.108. If you want your router to assign an IP address to the recorder, select DHCP, then Apply, and then Save. Give it a few seconds, and then go back into the same network settings. So now our router assigned an IP address of 192.168.1.218. So let's go ahead and set static again, and we'll lock that IP address in so it doesn't change again on its own. So that's how you assign an IP address using DHCP on an Elite recorder. Thank you for watching.